Hi guys. Sorry, I'll put some more light on the subject. Guess I'm the subject. Right, firstly, sorry, I've just checked. I was actually checking messages. I'm not very good at going into the gubbins of the channel. And I've just found 2 comments which were withheld for some reason. I didn't get notifications on that, so I've just approved them. Have you heard the latest? Cambridge police. Someone drove through a puddle and splashed a mother and her 2 kids or something. Right, and it might have been malicious, I don't know, but the chances are the guy doesn't know he's done it. I mean, do you know what I mean? Well, there's a nationwide fucking manhunt for him now. This is the latest revenue-raising scheme from Cambridgeshire Police. It's in Cambridge. It's in St Ives, for fuck's sake. In fact, I think it's right next to the fucking police station where it happened. But they presumably were all in there counting all this speeding revenue. Yes, lots of illegal speeding tickets, loads of cash for the financially contracting unlawful courts. Yeah, stuff it in our back pockets, yes. So they didn't notice it happening at the time. Fuck's sake. They've put out a press... Okay, nationwide manhunt might be a bit severe, but they've actually put out a press alert. The local bulletin paid for Hunts. Cambridge... No, it wasn't the Hunts Post, actually, funnily enough. It was Cambridge News. I'm sure it will be in the Hunts Post. The local bulletin paid for Cambridge News have put out a press appeal to find this evil villain who splashed someone by driving through a puddle. Oh, and apparently, which is quite serious, yes, he could get a fine up to £5,000. 5,000 fucking... I fucking despair, I really do. Do you think anyone's got any fucking money at all? No, because the council's fucking stolen it all. Especially at fucking St Ives, Huntingdon. It's all gone in their fucking back pockets. Loads of fucking illegal trading license. £5,000 bonuses, free cars, free holidays. Yeah, we're HDC. We can do what the fuck we like because we've got the backing of the Nazi fucking police force. Fuck. I'm getting carried away. Right. This is about FOI requests. I'm going to minimise that completely, so do excuse me if I'm not looking directly at the camera. The CPS, as we know, the Copper Protection Squad, they've refused to answer my request, basically. Oh, this isn't going to fucking refresh now. How much they spent attempting to prosecute me when they eventually told me the case was off and then they then went ahead with it anyway. We knew that. Highways Agency speed cameras. The Highways Agency are the police now, apparently. Thank you for contacting the Home Office. This email has been assigned to a caseworker. That was on 8th of December. Nothing back on that yet. Because they know they're breaking the fucking law, because they're a bunch of Nazi fucking dictators. Crown Prosecution Service again. Who is allowed to give an order to say that CPS employees are not allowed to speak to someone they are attempting to prosecute? And not only would I like to know the name of the person, I would like to know the reason for this order, as in this case you're attempting to prosecute me while I am unable to offer a legal defence. Nah, can't be bothered answering that one either. That was the 22nd of November, so that's gone by... Oh, well, 6-7 weeks. There's a lot here that weren't answered, guys. It's called whatdottheyknow.com. It's under Paul Dacres. Just go and look on the site because it shows it all. I wrote to the Information Commissioner's office. Bloody hell. How long do these go for? Failing to investigate local government ombudsman for failure to carry out their duty as relating to the case number. This being the report you have written to justify why you are effectively allowing Huntingdonshire District Council to steal taxpayers' cash by means of an illegal trading licence levy. Fuck me, September 2016, they can't be bothered fucking answering because they don't consider themselves public servants. They're all a fucking disgrace. That's the ICO, the Information Commissioner's Office. Another bought and paid for fucking government lapdog. Something about court summons. I don't even remember some of these guys. Can you please tell me why councils are allowed to hire a court for the day, issue their own court summons, and allow council employees to act as court ushers, the last two of which are criminal offences, impersonating a court usher being imprisonable for up to 5 years? I must have looked into that. I can't remember. 11th March 2016. They can't be bothered answering because they think they're fucking above us. Illegal warrants and summons. This should be interesting. Can you please tell me why you're condoning Huntingdonshire District Council? This is to the police. Cambridgeshire Police. They're more interested in people being splashed by someone driving through a puddle. Can you please tell me why you are condoning Huntingdonshire District Council sending out court summons, which is illegal, and why you also condone Peterborough Magistrates Court sending out illegal court warrants, that being with an incorrect offence on them and not signed? When was this? 2015? I think that was the first time the coppers came at me, actually, was 2015. Refused. They're not interested. They think they're above us. They think they're better than us. This is why we live in a fucking dictatorship. Get this message, guys, because this is getting worse and fucking worse. Oh, this should be interesting. Oh, yes, this Huntingdon District Council. This was when I found there's an organisation called Huntingdon District Council. Can you please confirm why you have a listed company under the name of Huntingdon District Council registered at the Town Hall in St Ives and run by one David Monk, who, as far as I know, retired 5 years ago. David Monk was the ex-CEO of HDC. Now, this Huntingdon District Council, and that's not, I can't remember what it is, that's not actually what you Googled to find it. I Googled something else and I found it by accident. As I said, it's a listed company and it's based at the Town Hall in St Ives, and I found it on a site called Company Checker. It's not actually on the government website of listed businesses. So there you go. I've forgotten all about that. Oh, information not held. Funny that, isn't it? There's one about trading licenses there. I can't remember what that was. Long overdue. January 2016. It really is incredible, guys. I mean, these people just think they're above the law. They just think they can do anything they fucking want. And it's all your fucking money, guys. I've said this so many times. This isn't just about me. This isn't just about the sort of trading. This is your money that they are spending. Because I'll tell you what, even if you don't live in Huntingdonshire or Cambridgeshire, I'd bet a month's fucking wages that your local council is up to exactly the same fucking tricks. They're Nazis, they're fucking dictators. The fucking police are backing them up, the fucking government's backing them up. Fucking Theresa May, do you know what I mean? What? Don't tell me she doesn't know about all of this. They really are, they're just criminals. They're just sickening, fucking vile fucking criminals. And we need to just get rid of them, guys. We need a new system because the whole thing is just fucked. That's all I can say. I can't push this message enough. There's proof online on this channel. On loads of, not just my page on that FOI site. Loads of it. You just Google a public body, and it will come up with all the FOI requests that have been made to it, and whether they've been answered and stuff. Have a look, guys. Find out for yourself.